Hey there everyone. Welcome to the very first video on EIH Lab, your go-to channel for everything tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, someone looking to stay updated with the latest trends, or just curious about how technology is shaping our world, you've come to the right place. Here we'll explore gadgets, software, home automation, AI, programming tips, and so much more, all served with a practical, hands-on approach to keep it exciting and easy to understand. This channel is about evolving with technology and keeping it literally in your hand. Whether it's a smartphone, a device you control, or knowledge you gain. We are passionate about tech and innovation, and we believe there's always something new to discover, learn, and share. If that sounds like your vibe, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's evolve together, one tech step at a time. Stay tuned because this is just the beginning.